Hi everyone. Today I am going to show you how to start using Illustrator. If you are a beginner, then Illustrator is a pretty cool software that you should start if you are stepping forward into the print industry or web designing industry. It is really a nice software by Adobe, and we will go for Illustrator CS 5.5, which is the latest version recently launched in the market. Alright, let's start with the basic stuffs like creating new documents. Today I will show you how to set the data for creating new documents. Let's start with the new file. First open the Illustrator and go for the file menu. First I will show you I will show you about the workspace. This is the essentials workspace, which is default, and if you have you previously worked with Photoshop or InDesign, then you can choose workspace like InDesign, like Photoshop. If you want to painting something into the Illustrator, then you can go for painting, and these are other as in other workspace. You can check it out later. Typography, we will go for typography, which is a pretty cool workspace, and it's loading mostly all the windows, all the panels from for the software, and here it is. All right, let's go for the new document. First open file, then new. You can go for control new shortcut, also new. All right, let's start with some printing stuff. Let's start. I show you how to arrange all this data if you are going to design something which will go for printing. So let's start with the file name, print one. You can give any name, and new document profile. If you are going to print something, then you will have to go for print. If you are designing website, then web is there. Basic CMYK, basic RGB, which is pretty same like print and web. Video and film. If you are designing something for films or videos, then you can go for this profile. And there are other profiles, you can check it out later. Number of artboards, it's like number of pages. We need number only one page, so we will go for one. Then sizes, these are default sizes by the Illustrator. Later tabloid, legal, A4, A3, B5, B4. Let's go for the A4 size. If you have another size, then you can enter over here. If you are going for printing something, then you should go for millimeters or inches in the units, so it can be easy for you to know about the placement of your elements on the screen, and you can compare it with the real printed document. So go for millimeters and or inches, it will be better for you. Orientation, any orientation you can choose from these two, portrait or landscape. Bleeding is basically for guiding a printer and a cutter which cuts the page exactly according to the size also. It's about margin. It's like margin outside the page, so it will create some a border around the page, so so the printer and cutter can know that this is the exact area will be this is the exact print area, and whatever you will print whatever you will design outside the bleeding area will be cut by the machine. So be careful about setting your bleeds. uh, Maybe you can set it to 0.125. It will be like yeah, and it's according to the requirement of your client also. So all right, And these are some advanced steps. You can go for color modes, it's CMYK or RGB. I tell you what is the difference between CMYK and RGB. CMYK stands for cyan, magenta, yellow, and key. Key means black, and it's basically used when you are designing something for printing. It's not widely used for designing something for websites and for any screen media. RGB stands for red, green, blue. It is for screen media. If you are designing something for websites, if you are designing websites, then you can go for RGB. Today we are designing settings for print, so we will go for CMYK. Raster effects, it's resolution for raster layers. We will set it 300 ppi, which is maximum over here. And so yeah, we will go for high resolution. Preview mode is default. It can be pixel or overprint. Yeah, we will go for default. Align new objects to pixel grid. Um, it's basically for your reference of your for your placement reference on the screen. If you when you create some new objects, it will automatically snap to the pixel grid. So it will try to align itself to some lines like it's called grid. Better I will show you later while working on some design. Today we are just going for see this data, what you can go for printing. So right, all right. So now concentrate on this data. Again, I show you the name, and then document profile, which we will go for print because we are setting this data for print solution, printing some document. Number of artboards, like number of pages, one. Size, we can go for any size. Orientation, units. Then bleeding, then color mode, CMYK for print and RGB for screens. Raster effects, high resolution, 300 ppi. Alright, click OK if you are ready for the document. Yep, and this is your workspace with a new document. You can see over here your color palette, your swatches palette, color panel, and over here layers, artboards. I will show you how to manage your workspace, how to use all these windows in the next tutorials. We will show all these we will see all this stuff about illustrators in next videos. We will go step by step. So all right, now we'll see you later. Thank you.